What's up guys? I'm back. So ngayon, biyahe kasi ako papuntang San Fernando kasi may attendan akong kasal. Tutuwa naman ako kasi syempre bagong adventure. Tapos syempre mahilig kasi ako mag-drive. So medyo nakakakaba yung setup pero yan, maipapakita ko kung ano yung setup ng camera ngayon. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, mabiyahe ako pa San Fernando. Mag-attend ako ng kasal ng isa sa mga barkada ko ng college, si PJ tsaka yung fiancé niya na si Hannah. I'm trying something new, trying to vlog while driving, trying to talk alone. Guys, don't try this at home. Malamang kasi nasa sasakyan naman kung gagawin mo to. Ewan ko ba. So yun, nakakatawa no, dati pinupuntahan lang natin is debut, ganun. 10 years ago, 11 years ago, debut lang pinupuntahan natin, ina-attendan natin. Kasal na ang ina-attendan mo, sponsor ka na, abay ka na. Grabe no, ang bilis ng panahon. Time moves by so quickly. And that's one of the lessons I've learned throughout my whole 2024. We should always value time. Live every moment as if it was your last and never waste someone's time. We should be thankful for the time that we have right now, and I think it's one of the best things that we have. Always be grateful that we have time. Time for our family, time for our friends, time for our loved ones. And if there's always a chance to spend some time with the people you want to spend time with, go for it and enjoy time. Okay guys, bye again. Anong masasabi mo, pre?
Salamat guys.
Gago, wala lang kayo bukas.